isip, tama't mali alam. Kulay ng bawat isa ay pantay-pantay. Kahit may malaking pag-asa'y tanaw din, lalo't mga bisig natin kakapit ng mahigpit. Mali yan, mali ito, magkasundo tayo. Ito na ang awit ng pagkakaisa. Halina, isipin natin ang bukang liwayway, pag-asang ipakita sa murang kaisipan, na ang tanging alam ay hanggang doon na lang. Ito na ang yaman, sa kanila'y ipapamana.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Putulin natin saglit ang ating tournament for this short program. So, maalit tumayo po ang lahat for the invocation to be led by Director Chess for Quezon City Youth Development, Mr. Neil Dumlao.
Let's bow our heads to prayer. O Holy Father, Almighty God, we praise and thank you for gathering us today in this important occasion. We thank you for all those who make this tournament possible, our generous donors and supporters for the prizes.
Nanatili po tayong nakatayo for the national anthem to be led by Mr. Willie San Juan, also Director of the Chess for Quezon City Youth Development, isa ring kilalang composer at singer. So, tumayo po tayo.
Sisigil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugaw, may dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang hina.
Sa kanya pong pag-upo sa loob ng 3 taon, to be more precise, 2 years and 10 months, he produced 4 more Grandmasters. Sila po ay si GM John Paul Gomez, siyempre ang ating chairman dito ng board ng Chess for Quezon City Youth Development, si GM Jason Gonzalez, GM Lilo, at si GM Wesley So, na honor to our chairman and president of the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, Honorable Prospero Puch Pichay.
Maraming salamat, Che. To our Board of Directors, Governor Rocky Politas, who is with us, together, of course, with his lovely wife, Director Politas ng DOT, Asia's first Grandmaster, Grandmaster Eugene Torre, the manager of Cotesto, sa ating mga bagong opisyalis na intact natin ngayon, Chess QC officers and Chess Fest, no? Anyway, itong Chess for Quezon City Youth Development, ang chess ay isa po lamang, but the purpose of this organization is actually to develop the youth, to inculcate in them good morals and righteousness. And I think you are not wrong in choosing chess, because chess is a good vehicle to develop the youth. It's not too late. The next rating is April 1, 2009, pagigiin po ang laro nyo para makasali kayo sa Battle of Grandmasters. So, again, in closing, congratulations dito po sa mga new sets of officers ng Chess for Quezon City Youth Development Program, at doon sa mga lumalahok, congratulations, and may the best child win in this tournament. Dahil sigurado kung tatalunin kayo mga kabataan. So, sa inyong lahat, magandang hapon po at mabuhay po ang chess sa Pilipinas.
Given the 7th date of January 2009, during the second induction ceremony at Ever Contested Commonwealth, signed Jason Gonzalez, Chairman, Board of Directors, Jose B. Carinan, President.
Thank you. It's an honor to have this plaque of recognition. I hope the renaissance will continue to become a golden age of chess in our country. So maraming salamat, and I think there wouldn't be a renaissance without clubs like yours. Thank you.
Yan ang pala, i-announce natin, the new honorary chairman of Chess QC, or Chess for Quezon City Development, is Honorable Prospero A. Pitsay Jr.